Hi, my name is Veronica Gunn. I'm a mathematics teacher at Herricks High School. I currently teach AP Statistics and Common Core Geometry, and I've been teaching at Herricks High School for 14 years, and I also taught 2 years at the middle school. I graduated from Queens College with a master's degree in secondary education and mathematics. So today I'd like to present to you a lesson I did using Google's various different Google apps. Quickly, let me just show you. This is my website. On my website, I have geometry resources for the students to look at. I have various lessons. This is lessons on trigonometry or right triangle, and this is the one I'm going to be focusing on. In this lesson, the first day I did is on day one, students were able to use the sine, cosine, and tangent functions to determine the length of the side of the triangle. And I first showed them that by using this slide program. So in this slide program, they get introduced to the various trig functions. And I also have embedded a video, YouTube.
Trigonometric functions are special functions.
They could go back to that now for homework and view it if they need more help. And I gave them all these different sites that they could go to so they could check to see if they really understand it. So that was my Google Slides. Okay. In addition to the Google Slides, I also had this HyperDoc for them to work on. Okay, so in the HyperDoc, let me bring you to that. So here's the HyperDoc. Students would read this for homework, and as they were reading for homework, they could go to this site and see how they can answer these questions. Okay. For the next problem, they could go to a site and resolve this problem. And for the third thing, they could go to this site and resolve these questions. So everything was there to help them find the answers to all the questions. Here's a description of a YouTube video to describe the difference between angle of depression and angle of elevation, which tends to confuse students. And there's also a link to the Desmo calculator. That I also have on my website. And let me show you how that works. This is a demonstration that I did, a video I made for them.
Hi, this is Mrs. Gunn. This presentation is for my geometry students to see how you can use Desmo calculator, and where we have our toolbar, and we're going to pick.
Okay, so I'm going to get out of that so I can continue, but that was basically what the students would be able to do. Then they could go here to the Google form. They could fill out this Google form and submit it. I would be able to get that, the answers to that, and see how well they did and understood the lesson. So this lesson went very well. The students, I'm going to go back, excuse me a moment, I'm going to go back to my site. And the students really did follow through and were able to understand the lesson very well. So all in all, I was very happy with this particular lesson. And if you have time, I would appreciate it if you go through here and continue to look at more of my material on my Google sites. All right, thank you very much. Have a good day.